Hey guys, I hope you all are having a wonderful day. In my previous video, I did say I was going to try hair threading using yarn. So I went into the shop and I got some yarn, and I've never done this before, guys. But those of you that live abroad would relate to this. You become your own hairdresser. Finding a place to go to get your hair done can be quite expensive. I just had to learn how to do my own hair. So I got this hair yarn from in Sweden. I hope this video would be helpful to those of you that live abroad and don't have like an Afro hair salon nearby, or maybe it's too expensive. So I'm only going to use my coconut oil for hair and skin. Its fragrance is very, very good, guys. I think I'm going to do 6 and 4. I don't want it longer than this, so I've cut it out. So now I just need to count out 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So then I count out 4. So 6 and 4 is what I'm going to do. So you cross it over, so you hold it to the end like so. Just continue like this. Oh my god, it's looking good though. It's looking fine. I want it to stop where my hair stops. I don't want to have to cut my hair. Hair that I'm trying to grow, I don't want to cut it. I don't want to cut it. I don't want to cut it. That's where my hair stopped then. So now I don't know how I'm supposed to tie this. So I think I just need to take one, right, and tie it the way you normally tie when you're braiding your hair, right? I'm guessing that's what you do. You just tie like so, right? And then, to be honest, this one looks more easier for me. The other one was a bit fiddly with the rubber thread. When I go to take it off, I probably just need to cut here, right? So long as I don't cut my hair, because my hair stopped there. Maybe the next one I'm going to just thread up a little up until past my hair, so that when I go to cut it, right, I can just cut it without cutting my own hair. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to take this one off, guys. So I'm just going to do another tie so that it does not come apart. This is what it looks like. If you guys can see, I have no idea what my back looks like. For your back hair, you need a shorter length, and then the front hair, you need a longer one. So that's why I want to cut as I go, so that I can just eyeball what I need. I just don't want to like prepare it all and then I find out that some of them are too short for my hair, because I've never done this before, guys, so I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, so this is the length that I'll work with now. So I've got 10 here, so I'm just going to do 6 and 4. So 6 and 4, you cross it over like as if you're about to braid your hair. When you want to braid hair, this is how I normally do it. You have to take a smaller one. So the smaller one is the one I'm going to be using to wrap around my hair, and then when I need more, I can take from the big one, right? So I'm going to try and stop a little bit after my hair, so that when I go to cut the thing off, I don't cut my hair, because the whole point is I'm trying to grow my hair, not to lose my hair. Guys, no one taught me how to do my hair, you know. Power of internet. The good thing about doing all these videos is that with it, you can actually learn how to do your own hair. That's it for today's video. If you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to hit that that like button and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free to subscribe. Come and join my growing family on YouTube and find us on Facebook as well, because there's so much for us to learn together. I tend to put out contents that are very informative, that may help you, or may help us all together. So yes, I'll see you guys later. Let me go and tidy up and rock my hair.